I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this because it actually works. It's fully updated and it is super cool.
Hey gamers, today you will learn how to get the game Vintage Story on your iPhone or your Android. I don't discriminate. So as you can see guys, we're playing right now, we're gaming and we're hooking up our devices, we're getting ready. So I'm going to show you guys how to get Vintage Story on iOS and Android. This is fully working guys. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to play the game. No computer needed. Alright, so first things first, just go over to hexmods.com. This is the website. So in this site, guys, you will see a lot of apps, a lot of mods. It's a pretty unique place to be. But today we're getting Vintage Story, so I'm going to type that in, press on it. And then before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, what you got to do is download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, also from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's super cool. So yeah, I don't really know about anyone else, but I'm very excited about this. So as you can see guys, it says missing files. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. TikTok's down and run for 30 seconds. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of them guys. I'll see you later, but that's how I get it. It's super awesome. So yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's crazy. So yeah, if you guys are interested, be sure to get the word out. This is how to get it for your device. The fully working Vintage Story, guys, on iOS and Android. So don't get mad at me, guys. You need to come at me and provide comments on what kind of gameplay you want to see next, and I'll be making videos on that. But that's how to play Vintage Story on iOS and Android, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, gang.